What do you think of the floors?
Oh, Warren, I'm really thrilled. I'm just so pleased we hired you to do this.
Oh, that's very nice of you. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, this is Warren from Timbers Flooring. I had to show you this old pine floor in this old Victorian house. This was very difficult floor to do. Not many repairs, which is quite unusual in an old house like this, but it was very thick bitumen paint. It took a lot of effort to get this bitumen paint off. I started with a 36 or a 40 grit, I think it might have been, and I had to do several passes over the boards to get the bitumen off. It was good fun though. The floor, as you can see, was coming up lovely underneath. There were some radiator holes in the corner of the floor that needed filling, so I used one of my old broom handles and cut it down, hammered it in, and then filled around the edges to make them look nice. But other than that, it was quite a nice floor to deal with. The customers are absolutely over the moon with what I've achieved with the floor. I have done a few floors for them now in the same house. They have chosen a Osmo hard wax oil. The one that they've chosen was a raw transparent. You will see this in the video later on. It's you can get that from any good store, or online on Amazon is a good place to get it as well. But yeah, it comes up very nice. The idea is it gives a sort of a raw look to the floor, like it's just been sanded. So yeah, let me know if you think that's achieved that in the video. But yeah, it's been a great floor for me to do. I love seeing the turnaround of these old pine floors. I mean, these are never been done before ever, so I don't know, 150 200 years old, something like that. So it's a real achievement to get these coming up the way they are. So if you're liking the videos that I'm doing, feel free to follow or subscribe to my channel. You'll be updated every time I do another video, and it helps me carry on doing these videos for you. Anyway, sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch up with you soon. Timbers Flooring, out.